I'm Laura and I work for Ronseal, and once upon a time I was a complete DIY disaster, but since working for Ronseal I've learned loads of top tips to help me through my DIY. So I've been part of this team pulling together all of these great DIY videos, and we've got the product just for you. When decorating a room, fillers are an absolute essential for filling any hole or crack in your plaster walls. So we're going to spend the next few minutes talking to you about the best filler for your project.
When filling any hole, do make sure the area is dry and clean from dust. Push the filler firmly into the hole and immediately smooth it with a wet decorator knife. If you're filling holes deeper than 50mm, build up in layers, leaving enough time for each layer to dry. And that's it.
So choosing the right filler for your project can be a tricky one, so we suggest that you ask yourself a few questions. Is the hole interior or exterior? How big is it? How much time do you have? And are you drilling or nailing into it? This filler here, our multi-purpose smooth finish filler, is for general use. But if you have holes outside, we do also have an exterior multi-purpose smooth filler. For big holes up to 50mm, you would use our big hole filler. It's really strong, so you can nail or drill into it. If you're really short for time, we have a filler for anything. So we've got this 5-minute multi-purpose filler. It dries really quickly, but just remember that you can't nail or drill into it afterwards. Our expanding foam filler, it's a jack of all trades. It's great for all sizes, it's great for those hard to reach areas such as going around windows and doors. And all you need to do, which is a really great tip, is go halfway up and it will fill the rest of the way for you.
Begin by covering surrounding areas and shake the can for at least 30 seconds. Carefully screw the nozzle onto the valve, hold the can upside down and start filling from the lowest point, shaking the can occasionally during use. Only fill half of that gap that needs filling. The foam will expand and take care of the rest. It takes about an hour to dry.
So to recap, all you need to do is ask yourself these 4 simple questions. How big is the area? Is it interior or exterior? How much time do you have? And are you going to be nailing or drilling into it? Once you have these answers, you'll know which filler to get.
Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.